All right, I want to do a quick video about a certain point of the development process here where you're going to go from a prototype that works in a lab, let's say, or an engineer's desk, and you want to convert it into something that's going to be production ready. Specifically, we're talking about how to control the flow rate in a device. We're going to use our model coreless engine here just to demonstrate what that looks like. But really, we're talking about the circuit out here that's going to control the flow rate of the system. So let me turn it on, get it going. Well, let's say that the device you're working on is already designed, it's already working, and you know what speed you want it. So here, we're running at about 60 RPMs. I would have adjusted that here with this needle valve. You can adjust the flow rate. You can slow it down with the needle valve. You can speed it back up. So through the development process, I figured out what that needs to be. So now what I'm gonna do is gonna turn this back off, and I want to figure out the flow rate here. So we're gonna take this back off. I'm gonna put this to atmosphere. We're gonna bring in a flow meter. Let's get that the right direction here. Turn this on. And we're just gonna look at what this reads. 11.5 liters per minute here. So now that we know this regulator set at about 20 PSI, where a needle valve is, we're looking for about 11.5 liters per minute. Let's turn this back off here. At AirLogic, we have a variety of orifice sizes that are standard off the shelf. One of them is this 30 thousandths one. I know that's pretty close here. Get this plugged in. We're gonna turn this on. I think we're pretty close here. Okay, 11.4. Not quite exact, but maybe we're close enough. Now that we got our orifice selected, we're gonna turn this back off, plug it in, turn it on. We can see that our engine is running the same speed. We no longer have to worry about a needle valve getting adjusted when you do the assembly of your equipment. These are all flow tested at AirLogic, so we know for sure that all of the orifices of any given size is going to be within the right flow rate for that orifice. So this is a great way if you are trying to poke-yoke your assembly, if you're trying to outsource your assembly and you want to make sure that your equipment's going to have the right flow rate and ultimately operate at the right speed for your system. So there you go. You can check us out. You can check out our standard orifice sizes. We also do custom orifice sizes. So let's say you adjusted a needle valve, you had everything working the way you wanted it to, and none of our standard orifice sizes met your needs exactly. Reach out to us. We'll work with you on a custom orifice and get you all set up for production. Thanks again. I'm John Hayden from AirLogic, and thanks for watching.